CookSmart has 5 fry levels. And these fry levels are actually activated by a sensor that is in our cooktop. And this sensor maintains and controls the temperature, and it keeps your oils from burning, and it also saves the energy. CookSmart has been configured to be used with our proprietary pans. Any other pans might overheat. Also, when using CookSmart, start off with level 1, 2, and then configure it to your requirements. Level 1 is suitable for sweating vegetables, cooking oils that have a low smoke point, like butter, margarine, extra virgin olive oil, and it's also great for reducing sauces or even making stocks. Right now on this section, I actually have cream. I'm reducing cream for a cream sauce. Level 2 is used for things such as French toast, omelets, hash browns, while using lower smoke point oils, such as butter, margarine, lard, or extra virgin olive oil. Right now we do have a French toast here. It's been cooking on one side for a few minutes. We're gonna give it a little flip here. Should be browned off on one side. That is beautiful. We're gonna flip it. Level 3 is ideal for frying things such as fish, making pancakes, or larger pieces of hamburger meat, or even pork chops. Right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop some pancakes on our cooktop, and I do have this set on level 3. Level 4 is ideal for cooking things such as veal cutlets, vegetables, or ground beef. Now, what I have here is a chicken cutlet that we've actually battered on level 4 on CookSmart. We're gonna go ahead and give it a quick flip, golden brown, and it maintains that temperature beautifully. Level 5 is ideal for frying at high temperatures, things like fried cooked potatoes or a medium rare steak. Right now, I do have some tortilla chips. They're actually good to go. Nice and golden and brown.